Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I'm going to share with you some of my finishes from GBFKE. So the unboxing videos for these I will link up in the eye and then you can check those out if you would like. So firstly, I completed this gorgeous coaster. It's really sparkly, so lovely. It was fun to do, super easy, and in terms of remainders, we've got an entire packet that I didn't have to open, as well as lots of the larger blue rhinestones. The only thing that I've done in addition to completing this as the instructions state is to pop on a clear coat of lacquer to protect it. So that is all done and I'm really pleased with how it came out. The colours are beautiful, it's super sparkly, and I will definitely be keeping an eye out for more of these coasters in different colours and designs. Just to recap, the coaster set, the kit is £3.77, so absolute bargain. My next completion from GBFKE was the set of earrings. These ones I completed as per the design, as per the instruction. They were pretty quick to do. Some of these really tiny gems are a little fiddly, but this is where it becomes really useful if you've got one of these wax tipped pens with a little the little thin metal point, so you're able to move things around. So these earrings I decided to complete disregarding the colours that were specified in the kit. I used my spare drills, including a few that came from the leftovers of the coaster, and I completed these with all blue and aqua tones. These were done because, as many of you will know, this month I am taking part in Shout's Great Create, and their sort of theme through line is the blue heart. So by completing these, I ended up with a set of earrings that were certainly a more wearable colour than the original colours were. They weren't necessarily to my style. This way, you know, I have unique earrings that nobody else has, and I've added them to my charity playlist as well. Because I chose to use different colours for these earrings, obviously my leftovers are even more than they would have otherwise been, but even with the reds you can see plenty of reds, plenty of the little red teardrop shapes. We've got golds, blues, clear crystals, greens, and then the teeny tiny teardrops. So the earrings for the set of two, so 2 pairs, and they are double-sided, £2.93. Again, absolute bargain item, perfect to make for yourself, to make for a friend, and do remember that you do have the freedom to go off script and to decorate them any way that you would like. I'm really pleased with these items from GBFKE. I can't wait to try some more of their products. The other products that I got in this set was the glow drill cat. which I've already done a post review for. I'll link that as well. There was also the pen tips, which I have been using a lot. You will have seen those in other videos. And of course the sticky mats. The sticky mats, because I don't have a tilted desk, they're not a necessity for me, but I did find when working on tiny projects, being able to put them on top of a sticky mat gave me a little bit more control over what I was doing. So worth remembering, there are many different ways to use these tools. You can really use them in any way that is to your advantage. So, short and sweet little post review from me today. Apologies that this didn't go out on Friday as it normally would do. My health is all over the place at the moment, but that's another story. So please do consider, leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.